Hi guys, I'm Tripura and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create the simple winged liner and red lip look. You can wear this if you're going to a party or if you're hosting a party or if you're just in a mood to wear a red lip and a winged eyeliner. So let's get into the video. First of all, I am starting with NYX Angel Wild Primer. This is one of my favorite primers. I am using the third tube now. And primers are base to your makeup, so don't ever skip them. Then I am taking the Miss Claire eyebrow pencil and brushing my eyebrows with this spoolie, and then I started in filling my eyebrows. This is such a budget friendly eyebrow pencil. After my brows, I am using the Milani foundation. I am in the shade Sand Beach. And I started blending the foundation. This is one of the very good foundations. It gives you a full coverage. Then I am taking the Elegant Pro Conceal in the shade Medium Beige and applying it under my eyes and on my eyelids where I have pigmentation, and then blending it off with a beauty blender. Then to set my foundation, I am using the Maybelline setting powder. I don't remember the shade guys, I will definitely mention it in the description box, so definitely check it out. Then I am taking this contour stick by Katrina. This is the first time I am using this contour stick and I like it quite well. Then I am taking the Balm Bahama bronzer and bronzing my face. Then I am taking the nykaa So Matte lipstick in the shade Beachy Peachy and using it as a blush. I am applying it higher on my cheekbones so that I will get a more lifted effect on my face. Using my fingers to blend it out. And then I am using the nyxcosmetics eyeliner. This is their I Want You So eyeliner in the shade black. First I am drawing the flick and then joining the inner corners to the flick. Since I have hooded eyes, I can't pull out drawing a thick line while I am doing the wing, so I am just drawing a thin line. Now I am using the nyxcosmetics lipstick in the shade Ruby Ooh. Just remember that it's so drying that you have to apply a lip balm before you use that. Then I went in and curled my lashes. Then I applied a generous coat of mascara using the Lash Sensation mascara from Maybelline. Then I went in and applied fake lashes just to amp up the look. And finally I am using the balm highlighter and highlighting my cheekbones. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, do like, share and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And also I create different looks on Instagram too, so make sure you follow me on Instagram. I will link my handle below in the description box. Thank you.